Hello everyone. Today I have a 2007 BMW 530i. I'm gonna demonstrate how to replace your serpentine belt. So if you can see, it's a little bit cramped in here. So what you're gonna need is a ratchet, and you're gonna need a T60. And since it's a little cramped, you're gonna need like a small extension. But if you don't have a small like this size, then you can just buy extensions like this, like that, and put them together and make like a short extension. So what you're gonna be looking at is with this, so I can show you. Okay, you see this right here where my finger is? That is what you need to find right there. So when you find that, you gotta get your T60 and go ahead and slide it through it. There you go, like that. That's the tensioner that we need to lose in order for us to change this belt. So once you have it in place, with one hand on the top of your ratchet and your other hand on the bottom of your ratchet, you gotta try to keep this ratchet as straight as you can. So when you push it this way, clockwise, you gotta keep all this straight so you don't strip the port in there where your T part is going. So it's very important to keep this straight. You're gonna need your two hands for that, and possibly somebody to help you while you're holding that to release that belt. So once you get it off, one of the main things you gotta do is make sure you pay attention to all the turns and twists that this belt has on. Like you can see, start from the top, go down that way, continues going down, and goes up to the tensioner on this side right here, and then from the tensioner you keep going down all the way down to here, to the bottom there, and then to the bottom there, and then comes from the bottom to the back of this, around the top of the alternator. Here's the diagram so you know. So basically, when you install the new one, you make sure you got all the turns correctly. Leave this one to the last, which is gonna be for the tensioner. What you do is basically the same thing. You go back in the same spot right there, and do the same thing, but make sure you have somebody to help you, because this is very difficult. You need some power to it. That's gonna be it. Thanks for watching.